Today, in Pajama Bus, we bring you Ysalina Bridge, named after Governor Pacencio Ysalina, more popularly known as Carmen Bridge. It connects two districts of Cagayan de Oro, the west and the east. In an account made by a Jesuit priest, Father Francisco Demetrio, it is stated that around 1888 and 1890, an unstable bamboo bridge, to be known later as Ysalina Bridge, emerged as the first bridge in Cagayan de Oro. Built by Mayor Juan Zanon. At that time, Cagayan de Oro was known as Cagayan de Misamis, with Zanon as its military governor. The bridge acted as the faster route to the areas across the city's main river, now known as Cagayan de Oro River. The early settlements found a need for a more stable bridge, so the bridge was reconstructed and designed similar to the suspension bridges of Claveria, a mountainous region situated an hour far from the city. It was 128 meters long and was at one point known to be the longest suspension bridge in the Philippines. Renamed Puente del General Blanco after General Ramon Blanco, a governor and captain general of the Misamis province. Several repairs had been made, including one major after the war, and so many after that. In 2020, the present administration installed the lights that made history for Ysalina Bridge to become one of the most colorful and well-lit bridges in the world. The historical account may be a bit shaky. Arguments are made as to the real location of the first bridge. Whether this location right now is the same as the original location, it doesn't really matter. What matters most is that Ysalina Bridge is bringing us more pride. Ysalina Bridge in Cagayan de Oro, here. My name is Barbara, and this is the Pajama Boss channel. Thanks for watching.